In this video, I am going to show you how to translate by speech on Google Translate app. You can translate spoken word and phrases if your device has a microphone. In some languages, you will hear the translation spoken aloud. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you are new here, please do subscribe. Let's get started. To translate by speech, open the Google Translate app. At the top of the screen, tap the language button to select the language to translate between. At the top right corner of the input box, tap Speak. If it requires permission, a pop-up will appear. Tap Allow. Change your speech setting. After opening the Translate app, tap Menu, then tap Settings. Pick a settings. For example, to automatically speak translated text, tap Speech Input. Then turn on Speak Output. To translate offensive words, tap Speech Input and then turn off Block Offensive Word. To choose from available dialects, tap Region. Then tap the language and then the dialect. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you don't subscribe yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.